So now we're going to be harvesting our Swiss mint. And as I said to you, we're going to harvest just above the nodes because we want it to grow back. All right.
Swiss mint is known as
So
Menta X Hyperita. It's a hybrid mint that, cross between water mint and spearmint. I'm not gonna lie, it's refreshing. The flavor is so nice and refreshing, and it has whole heap of health benefits. First of all, it is in digestion, which is going to help with digestive issues like bloating and gas. And it also can relax the muscles. So, when sometimes you get cramps in the digestive tract, it will relax those muscles and it's going to promote healthy digestion. So if you're having respiratory conditions like colds, cough, or anything to do with your respiratory tract, Swiss mint is going to help clear your respiratory tract and provide relief from these symptoms. Swiss mint has analgesic property that is going to help you alleviate headaches and migraines. So if you use mint oil and apply it by the temples of your head, it's going to give you a nice aroma that can provide a cooling sensation, and this may reduce your pain. It's going to also help you to improve focus. Because of the smell, it's going to enhance mental clarity, focus, and alertness. It's also going to boost cognitive function and increase productivity. It's amazing for skincare because of the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that will benefit the skin. It is going to soothe irritated areas and reduce redness and promote overall skin health. It's also going to reduce stress. The aroma of the Swiss mint is known to have calming and stress relieving effects. So it's going to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve mood. Swiss mint is very beneficial for the body. It's not suitable for everybody though. So you need to do your research, as some individuals may be allergic to mint or experience adverse reaction. So it's good to incorporate it into your diet or your wellness routine, but it's better to consult your healthcare provider and make sure that you're not allergic. Okay, though? So we've looked at the body, what it does for the body. What about your hair? Does Swiss mint offer some benefits for hair? Yes, it does. It helps with scalp health. Swiss mint has an antimicrobial property that can help to maintain scalp health. It's going to frighten off bacteria and fungal that can cause dandruff and other scalp issues. It's also excellent for hair growth. Due to its stimulating properties, Swiss mint is going to stimulate the scalp by, increasing blood flow to the follicles. In return, this is going to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Due to the cooling sensation of the mint, when it's applied to your hair, it's going to cause a cooling sensation, and that can help to soothe itches and irritation on the scalp. It's excellent for oil control. Mint has astringent properties that can help control excess oil production on the scalp. That's why I use it into my scalp therapy, because it can help to reduce, oiliness, make your hair smell fresh and clean, and it's excellent for shampoos, condition, and other hair treatments. So it's important to use in moderation. As I said before, all of these herbs, they've got potential benefits, but they also have mild side effects. So you may have irritated skin due to the Swiss mint, so you have to do a patch test first to make sure you're not allergic. So if you're making your DIY treatments into your hair care routine, you can full enjoy the benefits of Swiss mint or even chocolate mint. The scientific name for oregano is Origanum vulgar, and it's a popular plant known for its culinary uses as well as its potential benefits for the body, skin, and hair. Body benefits. Oregano is excellent for the immune system. It helps to support the immune system because it's rich in antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals. This is going to boost the immune system and protect the body against infection. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it contains a compound that is going to reduce inflammation in the body, alleviate conditions like arthritis. It's also amazing for your digestive health. It has been used traditionally for digestion and relieving gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. What about the skin? If you've got any skin infection, you can make topical salves that is going to help your skin. Because it contains antimicrobial properties, it has to fight off bacteria and fungi, which is going to make it extremely beneficial for treating acne and other skin infections. It's packed with antioxidant properties, and that is going to help the skin from damage caused by free radical, which is going to contribute to premature aging. So it helps to heal the skin, and if you've got any skin irritation, it helps to soothe it due to the antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano is amazing for hair. This is in my hair care scalp therapy program. It's excellent for dandruff and has antifungal properties that can help combat dandruff and promote a healthy scalp. That's what we want. I do scalp therapy to promote healthy scalp. It's excellent for growing your hair because it's going to improve blood circulation, which is going to stimulate growth and strengthen the hair follicles. The scalp is going to be in amazing condition. It's going to reduce inflammation of the scalp, fight off any infection, and balance oil production. Oregano contains a compound called carvacrol and thymol, which have been studied for their antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. Now we're going to do thyme. And the scientific name for thyme is Thymus vulgaris. It's a herb known for its potential benefits. It has antimicrobial properties and it can help to combat the, bacterial, fungal, or parasitic effect on the body. If the body has strong harmful microorganism, then thyme has the antimicrobial properties that is going to help to fight off these harmful microorganisms. Because of the compound of thymol and carvacrol, it is going to eliminate them. Did you know that thyme often is used to support respiratory health and relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as cough, bronchitis, or congestion? It even aids in digestion as well. It's going to reduce bloatedness, alleviate gastrointestinal issues. Thyme is also amazing for the skin because of the antiseptic properties. If you have thyme oil, it's going to help to cleanse the skin and prevent infections, making it beneficial for treating acne and other skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Oxidative protection. Thyme is rich in oxidants that help to protect the skin from what? Oxidative stress and premature aging caused by, come on, let's say it, free radicals. Thyme has skin healing properties because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property. It's going to soothe skin irritation, and it's going to also help with wound healing. This is another key ingredient in my scalp therapy program because it's going to help to fight off inflammation of the scalp and reduce infections or breakout. It's going to promote overall health of the scalp. And it's going to stimulate blood flow as well to the scalp, which is going to support hair growth and strengthening of the follicles. It's amazing for antifungal treatment for dandruff because it's going to combat the dryness of your scalp and promote a healthier environment for your hair to grow. So this is how we're looking. I harvested so many herbs today, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I planted all the herbs in my garden, and I've harvested the herbs so I can start making my herbal products. So this is going to dry for a while. Some of these herbs are going to self-dry. Some we're going to put in the dehydrator and let them dry, and then some we're going to put them in the sun to let them dry. So I know you've seen the title of my video and you're wondering what the hell is biodynamic farming. It is a holistic, sustainable approach to agriculture, and it's going to lead you to self-sufficient and creating an ecosystem in your garden. It was developed in the early 20th centuries in Austria, and it has been very significant for farmers, and it goes beyond organic farming practices. Let me just give you some key aspects of biodynamic farming and why I use a calendar based on the lunar and celestial rhythms to kind of help me influence the plant growth and vitality in my garden. Overall, biodynamic farming aims to create a balanced and harmonious farm ecosystem that promotes healthy soil. So I've chosen to harvest my herbs on the new moon. And why did I do that? Because the new moon phase is considered a time to increase water and sap flow in plants, as well as a time to rest and rejuvenate. So I decided to put both together to harvest the crops during this, new moon phase. And it's going to lead to better taste, better shelf life, and enhanced nutritional content in the harvested produce. All right, so that's it. I wanted to just give you a little info on why I titled the video this way, because I actually use both to create this beautiful herb harvesting video.